If you don't mind that it doesn't swivel, I have straps for it.
Can I see those?
Yeah, let's see what
I bought a camera. What was supposed to be a $200 venture turned into a $1,300 venture. Let's not talk about it. Camera, loading up my first roll of film, and back to the skate park, Burnside. Cool. What the photo is a concept that is near and dear to my heart, something that I've been curating for over a year and a half. I'm sitting on a major body of work, a lot of work that I have not put out, or even just some of the work that I have put out. I want to share with you all how they came about, how we styled it, why I edited it the way I did, why we picked the location, and I will be sitting down with photographers such as myself, giving you the insight behind the mind, behind the lens. So thank you so much for tuning in. Another shout out to Isaac. Thank you so much for being the muse behind these photos. It was really great meeting you, and hopefully we can get together and capture some more work. I had a blast shooting these photos, and I hope you're just as proud of them as I am. Stay tuned for another episode because I will be coming with more heat. Peace, love.